How to change the fav icon in your Squarespace website. Now I'm in my homepage right here. I'm going to pick a random template. Let's say this one, for example. And let's start with this design. I'll close this. Once here, you need to go to this one, settings, this logo, the one with the gear. Press that. And then press this, adjust your site's fav icon. Now you can make this whatever you want. I'll just search up something like maybe sunsets for the fav icon. I'll just use this one, for example. Doesn't really matter, as this is just an example. I'll save that. And then let's add a fav icon. You can either upload your own file or select from a library. In my example, I'm going to upload my own. Let's press this. There you go. Your fav icon should be this now. I'll show you another one. You can also make this brighter, add the contrast, adjust the saturation. I won't be saving that. I'm going to replace it now. Let's select from the library this time. Let's press this again. And now it'll be that one as well. The library will be whatever you've uploaded onto Squarespace. In my case earlier, I've only uploaded this one, so the only thing that showed up in that library is this image. Either way, let's save it. And now your fav icon should be changed, but as you can see here, mine's not changed yet. It'll refresh once you delete your cache, or once it'll refresh like this. Let's see. Sometimes it do take a while, but don't worry, your fav icon will change. So it's as easy as that.